Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook deer meat. First, ensure your deer meat is properly field dressed and cooled quickly after harvest. This crucial step prevents bacterial growth and preserves the meat's quality. Next, meticulously trim away all fat, silver skin, and connective tissue. These elements can contribute to a strong, gamey taste. Finally, consider marinating tougher cuts for at least 2 hours or even up to 24 hours to enhance tenderness and infuse delicious flavors. For tender cuts like backstraps and tenderloins, quick cooking over high heat is key. Sear them for just a few minutes per side to achieve a beautiful crust while keeping the inside juicy. Target a medium rare doneness, which is typically an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember to let the meat rest for 5 to 10 minutes after cooking. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Tougher cuts, such as roasts and shanks, benefit greatly from slow, moist heat cooking. Braising or stewing these cuts over low heat for several hours will transform them into incredibly tender dishes. The long cooking time, combined with liquid, effectively breaks down the connective tissues that make these cuts tough. Continue cooking until the meat is easily shredded with a fork, which usually takes about 3 to 4 hours, depending on the specific cut and its size. To elevate the flavor of your deer dishes, don't hesitate to incorporate fresh herbs like rosemary and thyme, along with aromatic vegetables such as garlic and onions. These additions complement the meat beautifully. For safety, always ensure ground deer meat reaches an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, remember that deer meat is very lean, so be careful not to overcook it. Overcooking can quickly lead to dry, less enjoyable results, so keep a close eye on your cooking times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.